Hi friends, it's Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. I want to personally invite you to a special 21-day yoga challenge we're starting on May 9th through June 26th. It is a great opportunity to really enhance your body, mind, and spirit and elevate at your highest vibration. The challenge is this: you just have to do 3 yoga videos per week for the next 7 weeks. That's 21 days. 3 yoga videos, 7 weeks, 21 days, and then you get entered into a drawing for a $50 gift card to a special boutique yoga apparel store. So come click on the information below, and I hope that you can join us. See you soon.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mother.